So this is the working of stepper motor. So what you will do, wherever the file that is been located, you will put that file into the Keel software. We know how to open that. We have already seen in the regular lab of the software experiments. So whenever it is been open, you are creating your hex file. So whenever you create your hex file, what you have to do, you have to connect it to the stepper dot object. So we are going to that stepper dot object using your stepper motor file, and objects are there. If you click on the object, you go to stepper dot hex. So when you click on the stepper.x, then you have to start debugging or start connecting that program to your LPC2148. So this kit, whatever you are seeing it here, this is your LPC2148. Okay, whatever the kit that is being seen here, this LPC2148, and this is what is your stepper motor. Okay, so this is your stepper motor, how it is been rotating, and whatever the kit that you have seen just now, before this one, this is your LPC2148. So this LPC2148 is been connected through this patch cords here. This is the card interface card here. So this interface card is being connected from this to LPC2148. Okay. So based on the switch, whatever it is being connected. So based on the switch, whatever we show it here, just see, I'll just show you again. Okay, here. Okay, so this one, whatever the wires that you're seeing it here, these are the wires that gets connected to this. This is all the windings. Okay, so this is your stepper motor. Stepper motor has four windings. That four winding is been connected to this particular part of my stepper motor. Okay, so these windings that just now I explained, no, this winding is being working in this particular fashion. This is my LPC2148. The whole thing, whatever I see, this is my LPC2148, and this is my stepper motor, and these are the windings which is being connected to LPC2148. Okay, so the internal working, just now whatever I explained in that particular manner, it will work. So whatever, if you could just see here, this one, okay, you could see it in the proper way. Just show you. Okay, whatever you are seeing it here, the all the blue color thing or the orange color thing, these are all called as the switches. Okay, so I told you we are using two switch one and switch two for clockwise and anti-clockwise direction. Whenever I press switch one is of which port, P1.16. It will be written over here, P1.1, P1.2, P1.3, so on till P1.16, 17. It will be written over here. When I press P1.16, it will rotate in the clockwise direction. When I press P1.17, it will rotate in the anti-clockwise direction. So this is the one, whatever you are seeing here, the black color wire is the one which gets connected from your the computer, the interface card. It is an interface card which gets connected from your computer to LPC2148, and this wire, whatever we show, that wire gets connected from stepper motor to LPC2148. So this is how the interface is being done. From the computer, I am using this interface card which gets connected to 2148. From the stepper motor, I am using those wires. Wires are nothing but my windings. We call it as windings in terms of microprocessor and microcontroller. That will be given it to this LPC2148. So now all the three is being connected. My computer is connected, LPC2148 is connected, and my stepper motor is connected. So I have written a program in my computer, and that gets connected to LPC2148 using this interface card, and this LPC2148 is connected to stepper motor through that winding. So based on the switch control, whatever the switch control that I do it here, the stepper motor will start rotating in clockwise and anti-clockwise direction. So in the earlier video, whatever I have explained, it is only the working of my stepper motor. That you will not see it inside, that you will not see, or that you no need to do in the particular board. It is implicitly being done. But how the working goes on, I have tried to explain it to you using some of the slides of stepper motor at LPC2148. So this is what is your experiment number, or experiment number in stepper motor experiment using LPC2148. So if you have any doubts, you could ask us anytime. So we are there to help you out. Thank you.